Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing us how to make potato chips. This is beginner friendly, so there is no need for you to be scared or worried that you're not going to get full information. I promise you that I'm doing my best to give you the full information as possible. Okay, as you can see, these three potatoes I have mixed some batch already, so this is the remaining one that was remaining. So I was just worried, and I wanted to make it so that it won't get spoiled. Okay, so that's why I said, okay, let me make this one as a tutorial for everybody so you can see, because most people they are worried on starting this potato chips business, and I promise you that it's not really difficult, because majority of the things is what you have at home. You have knife at home, you have bowl, you have filters, you have okra slicer at home, and that okra slicer they have cheese cutter inside, like this one I'm using to peel this potato. You can see is also what I'm going to use to slice my chips. Okay, and we also have different types in case you are not good with this, which I also have. So it all depends on on you, whichever one that works for you. Okay, actually I bought this potato and today making it I think 4 days, and it as in nothing happened to it, so I was really scared. I said instead of it to get spoiled, let me just make it. So what you need to know about potato chips business is that you can start with 5,000 naira, buying of potato chips 5,000 naira or 3,000 naira. And again, buying of groundnut oil, make sure you go for the best oil, the very best oil, because if you did not go for the best oil, I promise you that you will get lots and lots of complaint. Like I told you earlier, this is what I'm going to slice my cheese. Okay, and it's very effective. You cannot go for the expensive one. This is not expensive. At least for 500 naira you can be able to get this cheese slicer. Okay, it has a lot of benefit. Okay, you can also use the other parts for different designs and all of that. All right, so it was a bit difficult for me, kind of way. I think maybe it's kind of rusty, so it's not really sharp, giving me the vibes that I want. So I was just trying to be careful for it not to cut my hand. Okay, so whenever you are using it, you just try to be very careful, because it's very sharp. All right, so that's that. So I was really trying to manage it, but I was like thinking for another option if I should use my second cheese cutter, which I did right away. Okay, and it was even very easy for me. As you can see, it was very easy, didn't take long, and I was going as fast as I want. Okay, so what you need to do concerning this potato chip, because most people they are worried on how to sell their product. Okay, so what you need to know is that there's no need for you to worry on how to sell your product. All you have to do is you can go to shops around you, like provision shops. You can go there and supply your product. You can also go to the supermarket and supply your product. But one disadvantage about supermarket is that based on the fact that you've not registered your product, then it will be kind of difficult for them to buy your stuffs. Okay, not because of them really, but because of the customers, people that are coming to buy. You know, most people they are very careful of what they want, they put in their belly. All right, so sometimes if they want to patronize you, they'll take like few pieces of your stuff and put on their shelf, and on not on cash. They're not buying it on cash, you understand. They will take from you and they'll put on their shelf. If the customers, if they are able to sell it, then they'll take their profit and give you your money, you understand. The agreed price and you put agreed on, that's how it is done. So there's nothing for you to worry about in potato chips business. It's very, very lucrative. And for you to get cheaper ones, cheaper potatoes, you have to go to bush market. If bush market is not far from you guys, I promise you is the best and best method. Is the best way for you to get good potato with what profitable price. Okay, and you get profit. As you can see, oil is on fire, so I just put this little cheese on the fire to test if the oil is hot. And as you can see, it's really, really hot. So I'm putting my first batch on the fire. And one thing you need to know, when you are putting this cheese on in your oil, make sure you spread them. Do not pack them once in one place, okay, so that will avoid it from sticking together. All right, so just spread them. As you can see, spread them. And also do not forget to add salt before what putting it in your oil. Or if the one that is favorable to you is either you put your oil in your salt in your oil, or you put your salt in your cheese in the filter before putting it in the oil. Okay, so and what you need to do again is make sure you stir it on intervals. Okay, like 5 minutes later, make sure you stir it. As you can see, my second batch is ready, which and what I remove from the water because I put everything on the water so that it will be beautiful. All right, it won't go dark, as in the face will not go dark. You understand what I mean? You know, potato when it's not on in water, it will go dark, but so long as inside the water, the face will be very, very bold, very bright. Okay, as you can see, I've removed the first batch. This is the second batch. Okay, I'm just trying to make the video really, really short for everyone. Please, if you've watched to this stage and you've not subscribed, please do it to subscribe to my channel. Please do it to like, do it to comment, and whatever questions you have, please do not hesitate to drop into the comment section, and I'll be gladly to reply. And whatever video you want me to make for you, please do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. One thing you need to know about this potato cheese, that whenever you want to make potato cheese, please make sure you have attention for it. There's no need of making potato chips and going elsewhere doing other stuff. You have to prepare your time for it. Okay, because any little mistakes, if you remove eye from this thing, I tell you it will go burnt. I'm telling you, it will get burned. So you have to be really, 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 very, very careful, and make sure it's really dry, it's well cooked. Okay, because if it's not dry properly, it will go soft on time and people will complain. Okay, and if it's too dry, people will complain also. So you have to make it not too not too brown, okay, and not too dry. All right, so that they will not complain. And again, as you can see in this video, I did not put onions, though I do, but it is very in this particular video I did not. All right, so this is my third batch, and which is the last batch. Okay, so this is how it is. The more it's getting dry, the more you see it on top of your oil. It means it's getting dry. You see it afloat on your oil. So please do not hesitate. If you are thinking of any lucrative business that you can go into, you can venture on potato cheese, you can venture on plantain cheese. Although plantain season now is till September, that's when you see plantain. Okay, because now it's very scarce, and also this is potato season, so when plantain is out, potato will be very scarce also. So you have to grab this opportunity, whichever one that works for you, potato or plantain. All right, and do not hesitate, and do not be lazy, do not be procrastinating. Please and please, a stitch in time saves 9. Okay, if you find this video helpful, I beg you, please subscribe to my channel, like and share, comment. All right, I'm really grateful, because it will help me a lot, so that YouTube will be able to push my video out there for people that needs it to watch. As you can see, the face of the cheese, it's really very crispy. As you can see, crispy and beautiful. Okay guys, thank you, bye.